This is Ian from Lean Media. Today I'm going to show you how to give access to someone else to your Amazon Seller Central account. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Let's get started. So I'm in Amazon Seller Central. You can see I'm in the coupons area. Upper right corner, you'll see a gear icon. You go down and you're going to select the option that says user permissions. When you do that, you're going to come to a screen like this. It says user permissions at the top. It will show anybody who you've already granted user permissions to. And I've grayed these names out because it includes their personal details and email address. If you want to add a new user, you type in their name, you type in their email address, and then you'd click invite. And what will happen with them is they will get an email from Amazon saying so-and-so has granted permission for you to access the user console. And if they accept it, they'll be able to get into your account once you manage their permissions. I'm going to have another video about managing permissions, but the basic step for giving somebody access to your Amazon Seller Central account, such as a selling partner, a supplier, somebody like that, is to use this feature in user permissions. If this video helped you out, please take a moment to like it and follow me. If you go to leanmedia.org, that's my official blog, click on blog or video. Lots of free advice about using different Amazon FBA, Amazon Seller Central, Amazon FBA programs. Thank you so much for watching.